Hey guys, this is JBL Xtreme 4. I want to show you how to connect this to your mobile device using JBL app. Switch the speaker on. This is Bluetooth button and this is the AI boost button here. So select the Bluetooth on and Bluetooth is on. It's looking for available Bluetooth and straight away it came up to my mobile device. You need to download JBL app. Select connect. Download app. You select download. Device connected and you can see this JBL portable. Then you select install JBL portable app and the 10 million download. So you need to make sure it's the one with 10 million plus. It's downloading this from Google Play Store. And this is the app here. Select start, accept all, allow, and this discovering device here, and also you show you the name. So equalizer, you can select JBL signature or chill or energetic. Then Playtime Boost, you switch Playtime Boost on, boost up sound and prolong playtime, you switch it on. So you do all these things using JBL app. Stereo group and product information and serial number, and also factory reset. So once you connected this speaker to JBL portable app, okay, and they show you ready, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your file where you save music on your phone. So go to my file, select my file, select audio file. So music you have on your phone, then you select, and here we go. beautiful. Thank you very much. Very beautiful JBL Xtreme 4.